Hi everybody, Rosie here. And in today's video I want to entertain you with 7 best cryptos to buy before 2022 if you dream of getting rich. But before we begin, disclaimer. The content in this video is for informational purposes only. Any opinions expressed are solely for entertainment purposes. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment. Now is a great time to look at some of the best cryptos to buy for 2022 and beyond. The reason? There's been plenty of great news for cryptocurrency lovers, along with a few ugly moments here and there, of course. With the recent surge in Bitcoin and Ethereum, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has topped $3 trillion. Although the crypto market has seen rocky times lately, and the price of some cryptocurrencies has shifted dramatically, that doesn't discount the fact that several cryptos will stand the test of time. The key is to not get tricked into making quick assessments, and taking your time to identify cryptocurrencies with ambitious roadmaps. Recently, Tim Cook revealed that he owns Bitcoin, and he's been interested in it for a while. These are clear indications of wider adoption of cryptocurrency to diversify the portfolio. And in other big news, the institution known as MasterCard has partnered with leading digital currency companies across the Asia-Pacific to launch the region's first crypto-linked payments card. In general, a rally in Bitcoin is followed by a strong momentum for altcoin. It might, therefore, be a good time to consider some exposure to some of the altcoins out there. It's also worth noting that multifold returns in altcoins come at the blink of an eye. With that said, let's look at 7 cryptos to buy that are best positioned to surge in 2022 and make investors rich. One of the challenges for investors in the world of cryptocurrency is a rug pull. MarketMove aims to address this issue with AI-driven contract audits. To put it plain and simply, the platform will separate quality projects with strong use cases from purely speculative crypto projects. MarketMove is also game-changing in one key area. Buying and selling on decentralized exchange does not allow for limit orders or stop-loss orders. This project will introduce these functionalities for investors using their platform. From the perspective of tokens, MarketMove had an initial supply of 1 trillion. However, 75% of the supply was burnt at the beginning. Further, Move token is hyperdeflationary. So when people buy or sell the token, there is an associated fee. This burn will reduce the token supply over time, and holders will also get reflections. In the coming quarters, MarketMove also intends to launch staking, which will provide additional returns. It's also worth mentioning that MarketMove project has a strong team, with the core team having worked in organizations that include Alphabet, McKinsey, and Micron. Overall, the Move token is worth holding for long-term investors. The company intends to pursue a big marketing push in Q1 2022. I would not be surprised if the token delivers multifold returns in the next few quarters. The Feed Every Gorilla token seems like another name among the best cryptos to buy for 2022 that can deliver multifold returns. The idea behind the Feed Every Gorilla token is to provide a decentralized transaction network which operates on the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain. There are 2 important reasons to be bullish on the token. First and foremost, FEG is developing smart decentralized finance. In the last 12 to 18 months, decentralized finance has boomed. The total assets locked in decentralized finance are likely to be in excess of $200 billion. With FEG intending to bring further improvement and innovation, the opportunity is significant. Furthermore, FEG is a hyperdeflationary token with a current supply of 42 quadrillion. While the supply is high, there is a continuous burn on both the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain. Each transaction triggers a burn rate of approximately 1%, and this will reduce the supply over time. Additionally, holders are rewarded with 1% tax on each transaction. This might not seem significant in the short term, but would be meaningful if FEG token provides multifold returns in the next 6 to 12 months. The Feed Every Gorilla project was launched in 2021, and the FEG team believes that they are still at 30% of the development work. Once more innovations are introduced in the form of Smart DeFi, the token has massive upside potential. Next up, InsureDeFi. Insure claims to be the world's first insurance ecosystem with stocking power. The objective of Insure is to protect investors from scam, stolen funds, and drastic devaluation of portfolio. In order to provide insurance to the crypto portfolio, users need to purchase Sure token and apply for insurance. The insurance is enabled 7 days after Sure token is placed in the private wallet. The beginner plan involves holding 2,500 Sure tokens. This provides insurance for 4 months with a cover of up to $1,000. The diamond plan involves holding 500,000 Sure tokens. This will provide insurance coverage for 2 years and a coverage amount of $140,000. Clearly, this is game-changing in a space that's witnessed an increasing number of scams and stolen funds. It's worth noting that Sure tokens also provide an annual percentage yield of 60%. Additionally, the token price has increased by almost 200% in the last 12 months. Besides the insurance factor, investors also benefit from holding the token. As more investors go for insurance coverage in the coming years, the token demand-supply scenario will translate into further upside. Internet of Energy Network is next. With global focus on clean energy, the crypto world is unlikely to remain behind. Internet of Energy Network seems like an interesting pick with a strong use case. The project intends to use blockchain technology that will enable homes anywhere to function together as an intelligent, cooperative electricity system. Through this, Internet of Energy Network will create scalable mini-grids that will help in unlocking opportunities for more renewable energy within a small network. Another point to note is that the crypto accounting system for ION is based on Holocaine in the microgrids. So this does not require mining and is a peer-to-peer framework. The Internet of Energy Network can therefore be considered as a truly green token. And from the perspective of an increase in token value, ION has a fixed supply. Therefore, as more grids are connected, the demand for ION token will automatically increase. This will translate into upside in token price. It's worth noting here that the Internet of Energy Network token was listed on Uniswap. However, the company has already initiated listing in a centralized exchange. The advantage here is that users can buy the ION token without having to pay a high Ethereum gas fees on a decentralized exchange. Number 5 out of 7 is the Rari governance token. Decentralized finance has been getting bigger. The top 100 decentralized finance coins already have a market capitalization of $169 million. And as the cryptocurrency world gets bigger with wider adoption, decentralized finance is likely to be a challenge for traditional investments. The Rari governance token has been among the top performers with returns of over 12,000% in the last 12 months. However, the coin's value may be moving toward 3 digits. One reason is its limited supply. The RGT coin has a maximum supply of just 12.5 million. As an overview, Rari is a decentralized non-custodial DeFi robo-advisor that autonomously earns users yield. Simply put, users can deposit crypto and instantly begin earning the highest yields. Additionally, Rari has also launched Market, which is a flagship interface for interacting with Fuse on the Polygon network. The objective of Rari governance is to provide all investors with financial technologies that were once accessible only to the elite. Next up is Decentraland. This has been trending in the recent past. It's not surprising considering the fact that the token has surged by over 4,000% in the last 12 months. As an overview, Decentraland is a virtual reality platform on the Ethereum blockchain. The platform allows people to create and monetize content. Decentraland intends to leverage on the point that people are increasingly spending time in the virtual world for work as well as leisure. There is a big addressable market and Decentraland project seems to be moving in the right direction in terms of user growth and token price upside. It's worth noting that Decentraland allows creation of applications, games, gambling, and dynamic 3D scenes. The marketplace therefore seems attractive when it comes to users buying digital assets. In terms of functionality, the Decentraland token will be used to purchase land, goods, and services on the virtual platform. The token also incentivizes content creation, which has a direct impact on user growth. Overall, the Decentraland token seems positioned for further rally as the virtual world gets bigger. The last one on this list is strip finance. As the non-fungible token space gets bigger, strip finance will be increasingly relevant. The project believes that an ever-growing transfer and value of NFTs is creating a liquidity challenge in the market. Strip finance intends to address this challenge. In simple words, strip finance is an NFT as a collateral borrowing and lending marketplace. From the perspective of borrowers, the platform ensures that NFT collectors do not need to sell their assets to get stablecoin. For lenders, the platform serves as a source of earning interest. It's worth noting that in October 2021, the project raised $1.5 million from venture capital funds. The funding will be used for project development and user acquisition. I like the fact that the token has a limited supply of 50 million. At 93 cents, the VC-backed project looks attractive. With a centralized exchange listing, it's likely that trading volumes will improve in the coming months. There is little doubt that the NFT space is getting bigger with an increasing number of projects and investor interest. Strip finance aims to address a key challenge. With a strong use case, the project is worth holding for the long term. And there you have it, 7 best cryptos to buy before 2022 if you dream of getting rich. What do you think of the list? Would you like to add anything? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this presentation, then considering subscribing to this YouTube channel. I'll continue to share with you interesting news and information on all things crypto and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all things altcoin. This is Rosie signing off. Thanks for watching.